Alrighty guys, let's go over how to set your Greenworks electric mower up for a bagger. First thing you need is this guard on, of which you should put on it whenever you put your mower together. Or I don't remember if it comes pre-installed or not. Anyway, during putting it together, put that on. That's your mulching cover, or shield rather. So then once that's on, we're going to look at the back of the mower here, and you're going to raise up the back chute. And of course, one thing you're going to have to do is take all the stuff out of the chute area off the back of the mower. Just get that cleaned out so that the grass can flow with the air. You probably should take a scraper to it just to get it nice and clean. I don't use my bagger much, so then you're just going to take your bagger. Now there alright, and if you'll notice over here is a metal rod. It's also on this side as well, which is covered by the handle. But when you lift this up, you got hooks right here on your bag on either side. You just lift that up and put those hooks over that bar, drop her down, and then put your guard right over top. Now she's set up as a bagger, or to bag the grass. The main thing is you got to keep that chute in there clean, or cleaned out. Whereas if you're mowing wet grass, it's gonna get plugged up a little bit, which is what I've been doing. Mow in the morning when it's still a little wet. But that's how easy it is to put the bagger on, and of course to take it off. Just lift up on that to get it off the bar, and of course go dump it.